we doing today? Hey. Hey, what's going on today? I say, what's going on today?
Nothing, we just work for West Tree Service.
Hey, man, I know you're a hard-working brother, but I'm showing people how to get more money on their job. If that's something you're interested in, you can check out that website at the bottom of my card. If that's something you're interested in, you could give me a call or catch me on Facebook. I show you how to get all your money on your job.
Okay.
All right? Share that with one of your brothers. We should know now we need to do something for ourselves. Give our money direction. So if you interested, watch that WW Income Shifting. Give me a call. I'll get back with you. Learn how to help your kids on credit. Eliminate debt. I help us with that.
Okay.
All right, that's real. Richard Medley Jr. on Facebook.
Yes, sir.
Have a great one.
You.
It's that simple. It's that simple. Hey. Hey, let him come through. Let him come through. What's going on?
What's up, my guy?
Hey, I want to share something with you when these folks come through.
All right.
You doing all right today? Working hard, huh? Hey, man, you a young guy. At this point, we should know we need to do something for ourselves instead of we can't work every day. Right. So I show us how to get all our money on our job, how to invest, and everything that goes along with that. If that's something you're interested in, that WW Income Shift, watch that video. If that interests you, give me a call or find me on Richard Medley Facebook Jr. on Facebook, and let's get this money going, man, because it's rough right now.
I got a barbershop in there and I'm trying to hold.
Hey, you need me. I show you how to get all your money on your barbershop. Because see what happens, a lot of barbers don't file those taxes, but you're missing out on good credit.
I have been open up on you. I just graduated school. I'm trying to get this.
Hey, get with me, man. I'll help you out for real. All right, brother. What's your name? Eric. Hey, hit me on Facebook, Eric. Just that simple. Out here helping people on the road. And that's what I do. Peace, y'all.